Hey guys, today we're making a quick and easy salsa. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. All of the ingredients we're using today will be listed below in the description. We're going to start off by chopping and peeling our onion. You only need to chop the onion, it doesn't need to be finely cut. Next, we're going to peel our 2 cloves of garlic. Chop the first jalapeno in half. The other jalapeno is going to go on the grill with the onion and the tomato. Take your cilantro and cut off about a half a cup. Set these aside. Now we're going to start up our grill so we can saute the onion and tomatoes and the jalapeno. Feel free to use your stove or oven as well. Add some oil. A little tip. Cover your veggies with a melting top. It'll help them cook faster and keep all the heat in. After they start to darken up, go ahead and pull them off the grill. Next, we're going to add our veggies to the blender, but don't forget to cut the stem off your jalapeno. If you don't want your salsa too spicy, you can always cut off a little more. Add about a 1/4 cup of water and finish it off with some salt. Now just blend. Now if you want a chunkier salsa, just pulse your blender. Once you've chilled your salsa, serve and enjoy with some chips or any other favorite food. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.